We are less than 1 minute away from the November 10th, 2020 Xbox Series X launch, and I'm going to try to purchase one online. I've got tabs open for Amazon, Walmart, GameStop, and Target, and then I'm also going to try to use the Best Buy app. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are at midnight. Let's see if anything has changed on the app. It looks like the Xbox Series X is still saying coming soon. Nothing is updated. Let's check out the Series S. It's also saying coming soon. And unfortunately, there's no way to refresh the app. So I'm going to back out of it and try to back into this page to see if it'll update for me. So in the search bar, we'll do Xbox Series X. And it looks like the app is locked up. Try it once more. Yeah, not taking anything. Okay. And let's fast forward to 12:01 a.m. Looks like Target.com is not showing any in stock. And GameStop is very slow to load. And they are also showing no stock. Walmart, this refresh says it's unavailable. If I go back and click back into the Series X page, yeah, still says unavailable. Then Amazon.com showing temporarily out of stock for the Series X. And let's see what the Series S is showing. Currently unavailable. Okay, so let's jump back into the Best Buy app. Looks like it is still locked up. Okay, let's see if we can browse to the Series S rather than search for it. And browsing is still not allowing us in. So let's try bestbuy.com instead of the app. See if that's working for us. Looks like it's pretty slow to load. Still loading. Okay, something's wrong. Yeah, sure, you can use my location. Let's do a search for the Xbox Series S. And okay, so it's loading it. Says it's coming soon. That's interesting. Try refresh. Still says coming soon. So I wonder if it has gone live yet on the website. Oh, now it says sold out. Okay, well, that was quick. So between 12:03 and 12:04, it went from coming soon to sold out, and now it's not reloading. Now, if we fast forward to 12:05, we are getting an error on the app, and it isn't even letting us browse to the console category. So let's check back in with the websites. On bestbuy.com, we just get an error when we try to search for the Series X, and then Target.com is showing that it's just not available. Then GameStop is also showing not available, and Walmart is bringing us to the same page as before, just saying it's unavailable. And Amazon is saying temporarily out of stock for the Series X, and still currently unavailable for the Series S. Then fast forward to 12:20 a.m. I had been checking in on all of the websites without any success. So at that point, I decided to just give up and head to bed. Now, I am curious to see if any of you guys were able to get your hands on a Series X. Please do leave your comments below. I'll be back in a couple days on November 12th to try to get my hands on a PS5. I hope that launch goes better than this one did. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.